Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Klarna card to Apple Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Klarna app and tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. From here, you'll need to generate a one-time card. If you see the option to create a one-time card in the app, tap on it. Next, choose a name for your card. I'm just creating a sample card here. Then continue through the setup process. Once your Klarna card has been created, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner, then choose Debit or Credit Card. Now tap Continue, and because this is a virtual card, you'll need to enter the card details manually instead of scanning it. Type in the card number, then enter the card name exactly as you created it in the Klarna app. Tap Next, follow the on-screen prompts, and complete the setup process. And that's it. Your Klarna card will now be added to Apple Pay. So that's basically how you can add Klarna card to Apple Wallet. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.